Demolition excavator. This specialized heavy machinery is designed for the precise and efficient deconstruction of buildings and structures. Its robust frame and powerful attachments make it an indispensable tool in large-scale demolition projects, allowing for controlled dismantling of various construction materials. Dragline excavator. This remarkable piece of equipment utilizes an intricate system of cables and pulleys to excavate and transport materials over considerable distances. Its unique design allows it to operate in areas that would be challenging for traditional excavators, making it ideal for large-scale mining and civil engineering projects. Grapple excavator. This state-of-the-art machine is equipped with a versatile grappling attachment, enabling it to efficiently handle and transport a wide array of materials. From timber and scrap metal to irregularly shaped objects, the grapple excavator's dexterity makes it an essential asset in recycling yards, construction sites, and forestry operations. Drilling rig excavator. Drilling rig excavator. Engineered for precision boring and soil extraction, this specialized excavator is crucial in creating deep holes for various agricultural and construction purposes. Its advanced drilling capabilities make it indispensable on large-scale construction sites and extensive agricultural projects, where it can efficiently prepare the ground for foundations, wells, or other subterranean structures. Long reach excavator. Long reach excavator. Characterized by its extended boom and arm assembly, this excavator is designed to access remote or deep areas with ease. Its impressive reach makes it particularly suitable for dredging operations in lakes and rivers, as well as for tackling complex excavation tasks in large-scale construction projects where standard excavators would fall short. Motor grader. Motor grader. This essential piece of road construction equipment features a long blade, allowing it to create smooth, level surfaces with remarkable precision. Its ability to grade and shape terrain makes it crucial in the development and maintenance of road networks, ensuring optimal driving conditions and proper drainage. Logging truck. Logging truck. Specially designed for the timber industry, these robust vehicles are engineered to safely transport large logs from harvesting sites to processing facilities. Their reinforced frames and specialized loading mechanisms ensure efficient and secure transportation of heavy timber loads over varying terrain. Feller Buncher excavator. Feller Buncher excavator. This highly specialized machine is a cornerstone of the modern forestry industry. Its ability to swiftly cut and gather trees significantly enhances productivity while reducing labor costs in logging operations. The Feller Buncher's efficiency has revolutionized timber harvesting practices. Magnetic excavator. Magnetic excavator. This innovative system combines the versatility of an excavator with the power of industrial-strength magnets. It excels in the collection and handling of ferrous materials such as iron and steel, making it an invaluable asset in scrapyards, demolition sites, and recycling facilities. Rock wheel excavator. Rock wheel excavator. Equipped with a powerful rock cutting wheel, this specialized excavator is designed to slice through and excavate hard surfaces such as rock and concrete. Its precision and power make it indispensable in quarrying operations, road construction, and other projects involving tough geological formations. Amphibious excavator. Amphibious excavator. This versatile machine combines the capabilities of a long-reach excavator with the ability to operate in aquatic environments. Its unique design allows it to work effectively in shallow waters, making it ideal for dredging operations in lakes, rivers, and coastal areas, as well as for tackling large-scale wetland restoration projects. Auger excavator. Auger excavator. This advanced piece of industrial equipment integrates a modern excavator with a powerful drilling attachment. It excels in creating deep, precise holes in the earth, making it essential for infrastructure projects such as utility pole installation, foundation work, and even large-scale tree planting initiatives. Backhoe loader. Backhoe loader. This versatile machine combines the digging capabilities of an excavator with the pushing power of a bulldozer. Its multifunctionality makes it an ideal choice for various construction and infrastructure repair tasks, offering flexibility and efficiency on diverse job sites. 14 bulldozer. Bulldozer. Known for its formidable pushing power, this heavy-duty earth-moving equipment features a large, flat blade at the front. Bulldozers are crucial in land clearing, grading, and earth-moving operations, capable of efficiently moving large volumes of soil and debris. Forwarder. Forwarder. This specialized vehicle is designed for efficient timber transportation and forestry operations. Its ability to navigate challenging terrains with ease allows it to collect and transport logs from the forest to staging areas or processing facilities, playing a vital role in modern logging practices. Caterpillar 797F mining truck. Caterpillar 797F mining truck. Renowned as the world's largest haul truck, this colossal vehicle boasts unparalleled size and capacity. Engineered to transport enormous volumes of material in open-pit mining operations, its sheer scale and power make it an icon of industrial might in the mining sector. Degelman Rock King 9600. Degelman Rock King 9600. This advanced rock picker is designed to efficiently collect and process large stones from agricultural fields. By clearing fields of obstructions, it significantly enhances crop yield and reduces equipment damage, making it an invaluable asset in large-scale farming operations. Kemper 300 Pro Corn Header. Kemper 300 Pro Corn Header. This high-capacity corn harvesting attachment is designed for swift and efficient maize collection. Its ability to rapidly harvest and separate corn kernels while on the move significantly boosts productivity in large-scale corn farming operations. Moorbark Chipmax 1600 Tree Chipper. Moorbark Chipmax 1600 Tree Chipper. This high-powered, flexible, and modern tree chipping machine is designed to efficiently cut and process large trees. It plays a crucial role in forestry projects and timber harvesting operations, quickly converting whole trees into manageable wood chips. Wrecking Ball Excavator. 20 Wrecking Ball Excavator. This specialized demolition equipment combines the mobility of an excavator with the destructive power of a wrecking ball. Designed for the controlled demolition of large structures, it features a modern excavator body, a versatile track system, and a powerful engine for sustained operation in various conditions and terrains. Its key feature is an advanced boom system with a long arm that can maneuver a massive steel wrecking ball. During operation, the arm swings to build momentum, allowing the ball to strike targeted structures forcefully, efficiently breaking down concrete walls, brick structures, and other building materials. This machine is widely used in large-scale construction projects, enabling rapid and cost-effective demolition work. Zoomlion Truck Crane. Zoomlion Truck Crane. This mobile crane offers powerful lifting capabilities combined with easy maneuverability. Its ability to quickly relocate to different areas of a construction site and perform efficient lifting tasks makes it an essential piece of equipment in modern construction projects. Water tank truck. 22. Water tank truck. This specialized vehicle is designed for water transportation and distribution. It plays a crucial role in various applications, including dust suppression on construction sites, roadside vegetation maintenance, and street cleaning operations in urban areas. Vacuum truck. Vacuum truck. This purpose-built vehicle is equipped with powerful suction systems designed to remove waste and liquids from various environments. It's extensively used in urban sanitation for cleaning sewers, catch basins, and septic systems, as well as in industrial settings for spill cleanups and waste management. Tunnel washing truck. Tunnel washing truck. This specialized vehicle features a water storage tank and flexible washing arms designed specifically for cleaning road tunnels. Its ability to efficiently clean tunnel surfaces helps maintain safe driving conditions in underground passages, contributing to overall traffic safety. Versatile Delta Track 620 Tractor. Versatile Delta Track 620 Tractor. This powerful agricultural machine represents the pinnacle of farming technology. Equipped with a state-of-the-art Cummins X1515L engine, delivering up to 665 horsepower, it can easily conquer challenging terrains and handle heavy loads efficiently. The tractor boasts advanced electronic controls and an optimized cabin design featuring large displays and multi-directional controls, allowing for precise operation in various conditions. Its modern technology and stable performance make the Delta Track 620 one of the most advanced and efficient tractors available in the market. Senebogen Excavator Grapple. Senebogen Excavator Grapple. This robust piece of equipment is widely used across various industries for handling and moving large materials such as timber, metal, or waste. Its powerful grappling mechanism and precise control make it an invaluable asset in recycling yards, construction sites, and industrial facilities. Scania Autonomous Mining Truck. Scania Autonomous Mining Truck. This cutting-edge vehicle represents the future of mining transportation. Utilizing advanced autonomous technology, these driverless trucks can safely and efficiently transport materials in challenging and large-scale mining environments, optimizing operations and enhancing safety. Caterpillar 994 Wheel Loader. Caterpillar 994 Wheel Loader. This large wheel loader is a cornerstone of major mining and construction projects. With its impressive load capacity and efficient lifting capabilities, the CAT 994 significantly enhances material handling operations, minimizing work time and maximizing productivity in large-scale earthmoving and mining activities.